Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do the mask transition effect on CapCut. So let's begin. So here we are in CapCut, and what we're gonna do from here is that we're gonna import our video. So once you are done, then you wanna import your base video. So in my case, this will be my base video right here. This is the video that will be revealed using the mask transition, and this is the video that will be used as a transition right here. So what I'm gonna do is select first the clip right here in the moment where I want to use it as a transition. So it will be from here. So when this person enters the frame, so I'm gonna be starting on that. So I'll be cutting the clip there, so right here, and then I'm gonna go cut it. And then from here, when that person leaves the clip again, right here. So now I'm gonna be cutting this clip right there, and I'm gonna adjust it right here. And now from here, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna zoom this in because I think the video is too zoomed out. So I'm just gonna scale this right here. So maybe I can go for this one right here, or maybe just like this, scale it a little bit right here. So yeah, I think this is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna go for this one right here. And yeah, so I'll just be editing this just like that. Now it's all good. Now all that's left is to do the mask transition right here. So what we're gonna do first is to duplicate this. So hold Alt and then drag the video so that you will be able to duplicate it. And then from here on the duplicated video, you wanna go into the video right here and go into cutout right here and click on auto cutout. And once you're done with that, you just need to wait for it to process. And now, as you can see, it's now completed. So once it's completed, you want to go back into the video that you have duplicated right here, the second one. So once you're here, what you want to do is basically go for mask right here. And you want to select the split mask right here for this transition. And then you want to go and rotate this right here. So as the person would go here, this will be revealed. This video would be revealed right here. So I'm just going to go straight this out. There, 90 degrees, and then right here. And then from here, we can see this button right here. So this is the feather button. And as you can see the effect right here at feathers so that the transition would be smooth. So I'd want to use this right here so that it would be like this. So it would be much smoother. So I'm just going to go here. And yeah, this is perfect right here. So what I'm going to do next is simply go to the beginning of the clip and click on the keyframe right here. Click on the position keyframe, and if you are rotating this mask right here, this split mask effect, you want to also add a keyframe, but in my case, I will not be using that. So I'm just going to go and follow the person right here. So as she enters it, just like that, I'm going to go and follow it right there. And basically just for every second, just like that. And then you would want to do this with as much as possible little intervals. You don't want to do it all at just like one keyframe, because that might be resulting to a horrible transition. It won't follow the subject that you are pertaining to. So let's just see how it goes now. Let's go play. And this is currently how it goes, but as you can see at the beginning, it doesn't really follow it. So now let's try to fix it. So to fix this, it's very simple. All we have to do is go for this one and then go to where it's wrong. So right here is wrong right here. So I'm going to go and do this right here. And say for this one right here, I'm going to go here. So let's see if that fixed it right here. And as you can see, it's much better. And yeah, this is basically how you do the mask transition effect. But you can do this in a cleaner way if you just spend more time with it. But in this case, this is just a tutorial. So I'm just going to do is show you the process. And this is basically how you can do it. And you can adjust the different values right here to make it look better. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.